On behalf of the Board of Regents, I would like to congratulate you, Ted, at your investiture as the 8th President of the University of Nebraska System. Your leadership is transformative, and I greatly appreciate your positive outlook. Thank you.
On behalf of UNK students, I want to congratulate you on your investiture, President Carter. Working with you over the past few months, I've really been impressed with your humility, your diligence, and your desire to serve the people in Nebraska. I especially appreciate your vision for UNK and our goal to serve rural communities across the state of Nebraska. Looking forward to working with you in the coming year, and once again, congratulations.
On behalf of all Husker students, welcome to Nebraska, President Carter. We are thankful for your servant leadership, especially during a year no one could have predicted. We look ahead to moving the university forward together.
Hello, President Carter. On behalf of more than 15,000 Maverick students, as UNO Student Body President and Student Regent, congratulations on your investiture as President of the University of Nebraska System. I can confidently say that each of us are excited for the future that you will help us create. Go Mavs!
President Carter, congratulations on all of the excellent work you've already done for the University of Nebraska System, and good luck with the investiture and all of the steps moving forward. You've already shown excellent leadership, and we look forward to your tenure as we move forward out of these multiple pandemics. Thanks again, and thank you for your dedication to evidence-based practice.
Congratulations on reaching this very special milestone, President Carter. To quote a 2016 op-ed that you penned for the Baltimore Sun, "Leadership takes practice, it takes repetition," unquote. On behalf of both the University of Nebraska at Omaha and the Med Center communities, thank you for your leadership during this pivotal moment in the university system's history. I look forward to years of continued growth, collaboration, and innovation.
Congratulations, President Carter, or as I've come to know you affectionately, Ted, on your investiture as the 8th President of the University of Nebraska System. The University of Nebraska-Lincoln, our state's flagship land-grant comprehensive research university, is committed to creating opportunity for Nebraskans. Your leadership will be so important in helping us to build on that commitment and to ensure brighter futures across Nebraska and beyond. I look forward to continuing to work with you on the journey ahead. Congratulations.
President Carter, congratulations. We couldn't be happier. And from the premier institution of the university system, on behalf of everybody at UNK, we are thrilled to have you in the system. We're part of the team, and we really enjoy you being the leader. So congratulations on your investiture, and the best is yet to come.
We woke up to the news of the tragic killing of George Floyd. Not very long after that, in a way that was quite surprising, Ted Carter posted a statement on his personal Twitter account where he expressed his outrage, his shock, and a deep, deep empathy and concern for a community that would have been disturbed and bothered by this situation. This came at a time when our university, like the rest of the world in fact, was dealing with this grand pandemic of COVID. I've watched from a distance as this new leader of our institution has, with calm, clarity, and clear decision-making, become a stable and guiding force for our university through what is, no question, a very difficult time. I welcome this kind of leadership. I welcome this kind of accountability, and I welcome this kind of moral and intellectual credibility that he represents. So it is my pleasure to welcome Ted Carter to this university, to welcome him to Nebraska, and to welcome the kinds of directions we will take as a university under his leadership.
Congratulations, President Carter. On behalf of the staff at the University of Nebraska, we want to thank you for the guidance you've provided these past few months, and we look forward to continuing to work with you as we continue to grow and make a difference in the state of Nebraska.
Hi, President Carter. This is Coach Frost. Congratulations on your investiture as the 8th President of the University of Nebraska. I'll be honest, I had to look up what the word investiture meant. You might want to get a smarter football coach. With all the challenges we're facing right now, with all the challenges that we're facing in the future, I have no doubt that you're the right guy to lead our university, our athletic department, and the state of Nebraska forward and get us to a special place in the future. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for your leadership. Welcome to Nebraska, and go Big Red.
Congratulations on your investiture as President of the University of Nebraska. The faculty of the University of Nebraska-Lincoln look forward to working with you in delivering on our mission of providing a world-class quality education for all Huskers. We extend our best wishes for future success.
President Carter, on behalf of the faculty at UNMC, I want to welcome you to the University of Nebraska. It goes without saying that you are taking over as president at a time of unprecedented challenges. With your background and experience, I believe you are the right person in the right place at the right time to serve in this role. As a fellow transplant to Nebraska, I also believe you will find there is no better place to call home. Again, the faculty at UNMC wish you all the best in your tenure as president.
It is an honor to be part of this important event. On behalf of UNK faculty, we would like to say thank you for your leadership, your support of UNK, and your support of shared governance. Congratulations.
Hello, President Carter. You certainly picked an exciting time to be part of the University of Nebraska system. But as your life's work has demonstrated, exciting and difficult challenges are best managed with courage. So perhaps it's no coincidence that Fortuna Favit Fortibus is a motto with which you have great familiarity. On behalf of the Faculty Senate and the faculty we represent from the Omaha campus, welcome, thank you, and congratulations.
I am honored to be here today representing the Presidential Search Advisory Committee as we celebrate the investiture of Ted Carter as the 8th President of the University of Nebraska. Over a period of 3 months, this committee of university faculty, staff, and students, members of the Board of Regents, and leaders from the Nebraska business and philanthropic communities worked diligently to screen a robust group of candidates for a person who could lead the entire University of Nebraska and serve the state of Nebraska. In the end, the committee unanimously supported Ted Carter as the priority candidate for this position. We have already seen tangible benefits of Ted's leadership and character as we move forward in these unprecedented times. Congratulations, Ted.
President Carter, on behalf of the University of Nebraska Foundation Board of Directors, our trustees across the globe, all of our staff, and the more than 50,000 donors who help us each and every year, we welcome you as President of the University of Nebraska. We look forward to partnering with you to realize your vision for an even greater university for our state and our citizens. Congratulations.
Hi, Ted. On behalf of the Nebraska Alumni Association, I want to welcome you and Mrs. Carter to Nebraska and congratulate you both for your taking the job of President of the University of Nebraska system. I know of your integrity, your character, your leadership, Ted, and I know what kind of job we all do that you're going to do for the state of Nebraska and for the University of Nebraska system. We want to congratulate you again and let you know that we're here to help and support you in every way.
On behalf of the state of Nebraska and the Nebraska Legislature, congratulations, President Carter. I look forward to working with you in the future, and I think you're the right stuff. Welcome aboard.
Ted, President Carter. As a Nebraskan, an alumnus, and someone who's had some experience working at the University of Nebraska, I want to welcome you to the state and to your role as president at this outstanding institution. You and I had a chance to get to know each other a bit when you were at the Naval Academy, and I was impressed then, and I was delighted to learn that you'd be coming to Nebraska. I've watched your first steps from afar, and it has confirmed for me that the Board of Regents made the right choice. This is a challenging time for higher education. Nothing will ever be the same as it was before 2020. We've all learned a great deal that we can build on, and those institutions that are most successful will be those who have leaders with vision, integrity, and wisdom. and you bring all of these things to your new role. On behalf of your colleagues from across the country, we wish you the very best, and we look forward to your leadership at the University of Nebraska, needed now more than ever.